Creative Atmosphere.
Hello, everyone. I'm Rita Rue of Creative Atmosphere, and I'm here with the Women's History Month character list for March 2025. And number 20 on this list is Rachel Balkovec. Balkovec, I believe is how you would say it. Rachel was born July 5th, 1987 in Omaha, Nebraska, and she is known for being the first full-time female hitting coach in a minor league baseball and first full-time female manager in minor league baseball. If you'd like to know more information on Rachel, you can look her up online or head over to your local library for more information there. And number 21 on the list is Chloe Zhao. Chloe was born Zhao Ting on March 31st, 1982 in Beijing, China. Her occupations are film director, screenwriter, film producer, and film editor. If you would like to know more information on Chloe Zhao, you can look her up online or head over to your local library to find out more information there. And number 22 on the list is Oprah Winfrey. Oprah Winfrey was born January 29th, 1954, and she is currently 71 years old. Her professions are a book author, business person, TV show host, film producer, journalist, philanthropist, and more. If you'd like to know more information on Oprah Winfrey, you can look her up online or head over to your local library to find out more information there. Number 23 on the list is Barbara Walters. Barbara was born September 25th, 1929, and she died December 30th, 2022. She was an American broadcast journalist and television personality known for her interviewing ability and popularity with viewers. If you'd like to know more information on Barbara Walters, you can look her up online or head over to your local library for more information there. Number 24 on the list is Anna May Wong. She was born January 3rd, 1905, and she died February 3rd, 1961. Anna May Wong was an American actress. I don't know, when I say Anna May, I think about Tina Turner. That's kind of weirding me out a little bit. But continuing, Anna May Wong was an American actress considered the first Chinese American film star in Hollywood. If you'd like to know more information on Anna May Wong, you can look her up online or head over to your local library for more information there. Number 25 is Estee Lauder. Born Josephine Esther Mincer on July 1st, 1908, she died on April 24th, 2003. Estee was an American businesswoman, and she co-founded her cosmetics company with her husband, Joseph Lauder. If you'd like to know more information on Estee Lauder, you can look her up online or head over to your local library to find out more information there. Please stay tuned for the verse of the day. And the verse of the day is from Matthew chapter 16, starting at verse 23. And it reads, "But he turned and said unto Peter, Get thee behind me, Satan. Thou art an offense unto me. For thou savorest not the things that be of God, but those that be of men." Then said Jesus unto his disciples, If any man will come after me, let him deny himself, and take up his cross, and follow me. For whosoever will save his life shall lose it, and whosoever will lose his life for my sake shall find it. For what is a man profiteth, if he shall gain the whole world, and lose his own soul? Or what shall a man give in exchange for his soul? For the Son of Man shall come in the glory of his Father with his angels, and then he shall reward every man according to his works. Verily I say unto you, there be some standing here which shall not taste of death, till they see the Son of Man coming in his kingdom. May the Lord add a blessing to the reading and the hearing of his word. This has been Rita Rue of Creative Artmosphere. I'll be back to wrap this list up. We're at the end of the month, and I'm going to close this list out really soon. Thank you so much for tuning in. And until next time, have a blessed day, and bye for now.